Hello, hi, I'm Sid from Sid's Wood Shack. I do my woodworking behind me in my little building. And I'm going to put together some small wood projects to show you how to make them, but also I want to give these away. So we're going to have a contest, and if you want to join me in my contest, there's a few things you have to do. If you want to win one of these projects that I'll be making in my wood shop, and there's a few rules I want you to consider. First of all, I want you to watch the entire video. Number two, I want you to subscribe to my channel, Dr. Stewart Productions. You also need to leave a comment like thanks for the video, but also mention the word contest so I know you're interested in receiving that item. Number four, I want you to share my video with a few friends of yours so they can also watch. And then the contest will end, in this case, in just 2 weeks. I have another video or some other projects that are going to be 8-week contest. I'll probably do some 6-week and 4-week contest, but to begin I'm going to do some 2-week contest. So you can consider that it's not going to be a long drawn out thing. After 2 weeks the name is drawn, and we'll contact you for your address. Also, this is only good in the continental US, the lower 48 states, not in Alaska or Hawaii or overseas, some foreign country. Just the lower 48. And then it is 100% free. I will pack it and pay the shipping, and you'll receive what I make here on video. So if you're interested, there it is. You can follow the rules, watch the video, and share with some friends. And thank you for joining me in my work shack. Yeah, hi, welcome to my wood shop. This is Sid from Sid's Wood Shack, and I'm going to do a project today that is going to be a contest prize. This would be a 2-week prize, so after the video is posted, all the people that watch it, if they send me a note saying this was a contest view, you just need to leave me a comment that says contest. I will put your name in a drawing, pull it out, contact you to get your address, and mail this to you absolutely free. No tricks, no credit card numbers needed. I pay postage, you receive your product, your thing I make here. Today we're going to make a nice caddy to hold Sharpies. In this nice new box of Sharpies, there's 21 Sharpies, so I better have enough holes in my caddy for 21 of these. So let's get going. I'm just going to use a simple 2x4, and I'll show you the steps on how to build one yourself if you'd rather do that. Anyway, best of luck to you on the contest. Please share this with your friends. This is good, this is fun, and we're having fun in my wood shack today. Okay, so we have a 2x4 piece of lumber here. This is what I'm going to make it out of. I need to cut this exactly in half. Then I'm going to take this part and bump it there and put a couple screws in there. I'm also going to sand it real good, and this project here I will stain it to make it look a little bit nicer. Now this piece of lumber here is 34.5 inches, so I need, let's see, 17.25 should be about middle. Okay, right about there. So I'm going to go cut this, put this behind here. In fact, yeah, I'm going to do that so where it's exact, and let's go cut it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to cut this piece of 2x4 right in half, 17.25, so that's about 35 long, or 34.5, excuse me. Just as a general rule of safety, I don't walk away from my saw until the blade stops, and then I lower it and it's below the surface of the table. And even sometimes I'll take the guide and put it right over the blade and lock it down. You can't be too safe in a wood shop. I've got all my fingers. That's because over the years the Lord has helped me to be careful. So take care of your fingers, and you know what happens? Your fingers take care of you. Now what I want to do is sand these two, and we're going to put them together sort of like that, drill some holes. We're going to stain it and make a really nice looking caddy for about 21 Sharpies. So let's see what happens after I sand it up. Okay, so we're making a caddy to hold a bunch of Sharpies. Some of these things here, there's a big box of them. Alright, this is a contest video. And you know what? I think we're going to go with a 2-week contest on this, not 4 weeks or 8 weeks, something long. We're going to just test the waters and see how many people watch my videos. And I like to reward my viewers and have a contest. So somebody's going to win this contest. Even if it's only one person in 2 weeks that watches it, they will have this sent to them free of charge, post-paid. Now I'm going to do that right there. Let's see. There we go. How about that? Then we're going to screw. Well, I'm going to put 3 screws in this in the back. These 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to countersink or put a pilot hole in there. And so let me see if I can do that. All right. And then this project here, I do plan on staining. Okay, 1 there, 1 here, and 1 about, let's say right about there. That looks pretty good. All right, let me get a nice drill bit for pilot hole. Here we go. This will work. Now I don't want to drill into my surface here. So what I like to do is have a little board to rest it on. So let's do that. There. And here. And here. See, this is so easy to make. There we go, look at that. Okay, very nice. Now let me put a attachment on there for a screw. Let's see what I want to do here. I've got a DeWalt set here that's pretty nice. Every so often I break something. I guess that's pretty standard. Here's one right here. Look at this. I can do this. This is a Ryobi cordless drill. I've had it a couple years. It's got 2 battery packs. Only 1 still holds a charge. So we're going to do just like this. That's what I want to do. And let me go ahead and start the drills, the screws rather. There we go. There's 1 and 2. And I am going to stain this project. This is going to be nice and all stained up. There we go. Now, I want to put this just like right on here. Alright, let's do this. I want it flush on the surface. So let's see. Let's see what happens here. Very nice. Okay. And let me try it over here. Good. Okay, so what we did, we took our boards, screwed them together, and now I'm marking out the spots I want to drill for the Sharpies. This is what we want to put in here. I got 21 of them in this pack. You might have fewer, but hey, let's just go with 21. So we're going to put 9 up here and the rest down here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 9 up here. I'm going to use a 15, 30-second drill bit on all these holes. So I'm going to punch a couple of them first, like this. so I can get me a hole started. Let's do the top first, just like this. Yeah, some teacher could really like this. Some mother that homeschools, maybe. We used to homeschool. My wife taught all of our kids, all of our 3 children, how to read and write. And my son is a nurse practitioner today. Homeschool did not hurt him one bit. In fact, it probably helped him in many ways. The direct attention from his mother and even his dad. I was pastoring a church. And just a few more. And I'm going to turn my camera off so you don't have to watch me drill all those. I'm going to sand the top again to get any kind of burrs off. Look at that. Oh, that's going to be nice. It's a nice caddy for a bunch of Sharpies. Be back in a minute. Okay, now what I want to do is drill some holes in the wood for the Sharpies, but I'm only going to go 1 inch deep. I was hoping to go lower, but you know what? The 2x4 here is only 1.5 inches deep. It's only 1.5 inches, so I don't want to go all the way to the bottom. So I better go just 1 inch, and we'll see how she pans out. That's about 1 inch. Let's see if she looks like. A little bit more. I don't like that. Okay, there you go. That looks like that could do it. All right, let's drill some more holes. Okay, so there's the holes so far. You can see them. I will take some sandpaper, go across the surface, try to get some of that splinters off of there, those bad spots. Now this is very country. What it means to have a country project is not everything is perfect. I'm doing everything by hand. I might try to ream those out. Now, I'm going to go a little bit deeper at the top because I have room. I'm going to go 1.5 inches at the top. So let's mark our bit. Okay, so now we're going to take the drill bit here. We put a marker here with tape. That's going to be 1.5 inches. That's how deep I want to go for the top. There we go. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see if we can do this one a little bit more straight, okay? Two holes, 21 slots or holes for the Sharpies. 2 more to go. Got to be careful, these bits, they get hot, a lot of friction going on. There we go. And again, let's take some sandpaper up here. Whoa, got one more here, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to try to get some more of these burrs out of here. Then I'm going to stain it, and we'll see what it looks like when we're done. All right, finished product. We just went ahead and stained it with a mahogany stain that had polyurethane in it. That's always handy to have that polyurethane. Let me fit all these in here so you see what she looks like. Okay, just got a few more here. Boy, again, this is making a nice gift for Mom for Mom's Day. So watch the video. This is a 2-week contest, not a 4-week or 8-week like some of the others maybe. This is going to be a fast one. Watch it. Let me know you did watch it. Send me greetings and say the word contest. I'll send it to you post-paid. No cost to you at all. It just arrived in the mail. There she is. How do you like that? That'll be good looking on any teacher's desk, student desk, or a little child. Oh yeah, that's ready to go right now. Thanks for watching, and hope you do really well in the contest.